Sometime in the next hour, you're going to catch a glimpse of your own face. In a mirror, a phone screen, a dark window. You won't think twice about it. But for 99.9% of human history, this moment was nearly impossible. For 300,000 years, people lived and died without ever clearly seeing their own face. Your ancestors knew their hands, their feet, their scars. The one thing they could never inspect was the thing everyone else saw first. Everyone in the tribe knew your face better than you did. The best mirror nature ever offered was dark, still water, a dim ghost. One ripple, and it was gone. About 8,000 years ago in Anatolia, someone polished a slab of black volcanic glass into the first real mirror. Egyptians polished copper. Romans polished bronze. All of them showed the same thing, a dark, warped shadow. And here's the strange part. Your brain was ready the whole time. In 1970, psychologist Gordon Gallup put a red mark on a chimpanzee's forehead and showed it a mirror. The chimp reached up and touched its own face. It understood. Human babies passed the same test at around 18 months. The hardware for self-recognition was always installed. Evolution just never planned for you to use it every single day. Then came Venice. In 1291, the Republic of Venice moved every glassmaker in the city to one small island, Murano. The official reason was fire safety. The real reason was secrets. Venetian masters had learned to coat glass with tin and mercury. For the first time in history, a mirror showed a bright, sharp human face. The state guarded the recipe like a weapon. Craftsmen were forbidden to leave the island, for life. In the 1660s, the French minister Colbert smuggled several masters out to Paris. Within a few years, 2 of them were dead. Poison was suspected. Venice never commented. That's what a reflection was worth. Men were dying over the machine that showed your face. In 1684, Louis XIV unveiled the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles, 357 mirrors in one room. At the time, a fine Venetian mirror cost more than a painting by Raphael. Seeing your own face was a luxury for kings. Then in 1835, a German chemist, Justus von Liebig, worked out how to coat glass with pure silver. Mirrors became cheap, then they became everywhere. For the first time, ordinary people woke up and inspected themselves every morning. A completely new human experience, and it was only the beginning. In 2010, smartphones put a camera on the front. By 2013, selfie was the word of the year. Today, you see your own face more than any human who has ever lived. Mirrors, phones, video calls, elevator doors, store cameras, and this is where it starts to go wrong. Because the face you know isn't your face. The mirror is flipped. The real you, the one everyone else sees, one is the reversed version. In 1977, researchers showed people 2 photos of themselves, the true face and the mirror image. People preferred the mirrored one. Their friends preferred the real one. You are in love with a face nobody else has ever seen. It gets worse. In 2018, surgeons at Rutgers measured what a front camera does at 30 centimeters. It inflates your nose by about 30%. Your selfies are distortions, and you compare yourself to them anyway. During the pandemic, dermatologists noticed a wave of patients who suddenly hated their faces. Their faces hadn't changed. Their exposure had hours of video calls every day. Harvard researchers gave it a name, Zoom dysmorphia. Patients began bringing filtered selfies to surgeons, asking to become them. And right behind that feeling stands an industry. The global beauty business makes over $500 billion a year. Filter apps will sharpen your jaw and shrink your nose for free. Free because the product isn't the filter. The product is the gap between your face and the filtered one. Every swipe teaches you the same quiet lesson. Your real face is the before picture. The worse you feel about your reflection, the more it's worth to someone else. Now step back. Your face evolved as a broadcast, a signal built for other people. Your eyes point outward. You were designed to look out, not in. For 300,000 years, your face did its job perfectly in the eyes of others. Your ancestors couldn't obsess over their faces. There was nothing to obsess into. So the discomfort you feel in the mirror isn't proof your face is wrong. It's proof the experience is brand new. Evolution never rehearsed you seeing yourself. Your great-great-grandmother saw her face clearly maybe once a week. You've seen yours a dozen times before breakfast. You are not ugly. You are overexposed, and almost nobody noticed it happen.